Did you ever pause to ponder the origins of the humble tomato sauce? This culinary staple, this vibrant red elixir, has a storied past that might just surprise you. Our journey begins in the bustling kitchens of ancient Rome. Imagine the scene: a busy Roman kitchen, pots bubbling, chefs bustling. In the midst of this culinary chaos, a hapless sous-chef named Marcus stumbles, upsetting a pot of boiling tomatoes. A calamity? Far from it. From the ruins of his mishap arose a new creation, a tangy, delightful sauce that delighted even the stern Caesar himself. And thus, tomato sauce had its humble beginnings. But this was merely the opening act of our Saucy Saga. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, where the kitchens of Italian grandmothers, or nonnas, buzzed with the secrets of perfecting this zesty concoction. Guarded like precious treasures, these recipes were passed down through generations, shrouded in more secrecy than the Knights Templars' hidden riches. From Italy, our tale takes a transatlantic turn. As explorers returned from the New World, they brought with them a bounty of peculiar red fruits, tomatoes. The colonists were initially wary of these unfamiliar fruits. Some even thought they were poisonous, but once the fear subsided, the tomato and its sauce found a new home in American kitchens, becoming a beloved staple, the star of spaghetti dinners and pizza parties. And that, dear listeners, brings us to today. From the kitchens of ancient Rome to your very own stovetop, the journey of tomato sauce is a testament to culinary creativity and delicious serendipity. Whether you're a bumbling sous chef, a secretive nonna, or a curious foodie, there's a place for tomato sauce in all our lives. So here's to the tomato sauce. May its vibrant story inspire your own culinary adventures. Bon appétit!